Hey there, myself Nilesh Hadalgi, and today we are going to install a custom ROM on my device through a Xiaomi Redmi 3S Prime, and I will let you know how you can identify which files to be flashed and what apps should be flashed. I will give you the detailed information with my upcoming videos, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos, and let's get started. First thing, before we start installing a custom ROM, there are three things that need to be. One is the zip files that you are going to flash, and second one, your bootloader should be unlocked, and the third is you need to install the good recovery mode. I am using TWRP recovery mode. You can use any other like Red Bull and all. So let's get started. First, I'll just switch off my device. Down. Then there are three key combinations for Redmi 3S Prime. So that is, hold on all three buttons and just click the volume low button, and you will be reaching the recovery mode. If you don't know how to install the Team recovery project, please let me know in the comment section so that I will make a separate video on that. And let me know which devices you trying to use, and there are many more devices which are supported. And today we are going to install the Recursion Remix ROM. So let's start. First thing you need to do is go to the wipe section. Before going to the wipe, please keep in mind that you take up the backup of your existing operating system, existing ROM, and I have already taken it, so I will be not taking it, and it usually takes time, and we are not going to waste our time now. Go to the wipe section, go to the advanced wipe, take the first three and the fourth one, that is delvik and system data and cache. I'm not clearing the internal storage, which might erase all the images and videos and my data, and actually both the zip files are in the internal storage, so I will not be formatting that or wiping that. So just swipe this. After a swipe, your old operating system will be completely eradicated and will be removed. So just go back, go to the install, and here you need to select the two zip files. First one is the ROM, and I'm choosing the 6.1.0, which is the 13/7/2018 update of Recursion Remix, and it is a treble ROM. And what do I mean by treble ROM, I will be explaining in my next video, and I shall tell you about it separately, what are treble ROM and non-treble ROMs. And this is a G apps, and if you don't know what are G apps, I shall tell you about and how to decide that, how to download it and all. Just now you just need to click on the first, the ROM, then the caps files. So you can go directly, you can flash this, then that, or else you can just add more zips. I will add more zip and click the second caps file and just swipe it. Now it's flashing ROM, which is called Recursion Remix. You can see it's under version 8.1. It usually takes some time, so let me wait. If you would like to know what are G apps and how to download the perfect zip file for your device, please subscribe to my channel. I am new to YouTube and I would like to grow with you. Your support is very necessary for me to grow. I successfully flashed the ROM. I will be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to download the files, zip files of ROMs, and how to decide on what base your mobile works. Your Xiaomi 3S works on land. It is said as it works on land. It's not the working land, but it's a version. Redmi Note 4 works on Nido. There are different names, and how to know what your device works. For that, I will be making another video, so please don't forget to subscribe us fast. Now we have successfully installed both the files. Here you can see the OpenG apps. Then just click on wipe, cache and delvik. Just swipe, go back, go to the reboot. Here click on system. First reboot usually takes time about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Recursion Remix is to be considered as the best ROM, and it is based on Lineage operating system. And it has rebooted and the device is ready to be used. Let's start. I'll just skip this. Add a name, whatever you like. I'll get my name. Set next. I'll see that fingerprint is still working here. See the fingerprint is working really great. Click next. Yes, I agree. No thanks. Just a second, and your new ROM is been flashed successfully. And I'd like to show you the system about Redmi 3S. Here you can see we have installed RR version 6.1, which runs on Oreo, 8.1 version, which is the latest, and normal features like OLT is enabled. It's working. Camera. The camera is working very fine. Let's increase the brightness. Here you can see the camera is working completely fine. Towers, and the review on this ROM will be soon uploaded, and whatever I discussed, how to install TWRP recovery modes and all, I will soon upload a video on that. So please subscribe to our channel, ChangeDroid, that makes your droid change. That's it. Thanks for watching this video, and I would like least of 20 likes on this video. I'm uploading more, and least of 10 subscribers on my first video. So thank you. See you soon.